Are you curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Toyota Land Cruiser 2008 to 2018? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse boxes. The passenger compartment left side fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 2008 to 2018 houses essential fuses for interior electronics such as the power outlets, dashboard controls, lighting, and key system modules. The passenger compartment right side fuse box contains key fuses for comfort and convenience features, including HVAC controls, seat functions, and various interior electronics. Engine compartment fuse boxes. The engine compartment fuse box in the Toyota Land Cruiser 2008 to 2013 protects major underhood systems such as the engine management, cooling, ignition, and charging circuits. It features a clearly structured layout with high-capacity fuses and relays to ensure reliable performance and easy servicing. The engine compartment fuse box number 1 in the Toyota Land Cruiser 2014 to 2018 supports vital systems like engine control, cooling fans, fuel delivery, and major electrical circuits. The engine compartment fuse box number 2 manages secondary power circuits and supporting components. Types of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, Please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.